In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Roland piano to Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to configure and use your Roland piano over Bluetooth, then you simply have to do these few steps to set up the connection. So when you look at the device's screen, if your piano has one, you will find Bluetooth pairing as one of the options. Don't worry, even if you don't have this viewer or this touch screen, I'm still going to be teaching you how to do it. So if you only have physical buttons, but this is going to be for the modern models. So all that you have to do here is choose the knob to access the Bluetooth screen and then press the knob to confirm in the settings. Now in here, press the knob to begin pairing. So immediately upon pressing it, Bluetooth pairing will begin. Now turn on the Bluetooth function on your mobile device. And in the list of available devices, you will see it. Immediately upon choosing the device, aka the piano, it is going to say completed. So there's no secret to this. You go into the Bluetooth pairing mode, you choose the option to start by pressing down on the knob, aka the button that you use to confirm, and that's it. It will now be available for nearby devices to connect with. Now, if you only have the physical buttons here, then this is going to differ. You will have to do a physical combination of buttons. Usually it involves pressing the power button and the Bluetooth button, as you can see here. So both of these buttons press together down for a few seconds to enable pairing mode. Sadly, this is going to differ for every single model, so I would highly recommend setting up the manual. But by pressing and holding these two buttons together for a couple of seconds, it should be discoverable just like the ones that have the screen here. And you will be able to configure them as usual, so they will be discoverable by other devices and you can choose them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Roland piano to Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.